Crowdin is a cloud-based solution that helps businesses deliver multilingual products. Crowdin lives between the systems you use and your translators to help you manage your content localization. For example, you would connect your GitHub repository or your Zendesk with Crowdin. Then invite your translators, and Crowdin will help you manage your translations in the most efficient way while saving your budget. Crowdin as a tool is most useful when your source content is being frequently added or updated. Crowdin will pick up your changes, so you don't have to worry about that, as well as put the translated content where it should live. Now, as there will never be a final version of your app or website or knowledge base, having a continuous localization tool becomes crucial for multilingual businesses. Crowdin has 2 editions, but in this demo we'll go through Crowdin.com, which is widely used by developers and teams alike. Crowdin.com has more than 2 million users, has a free plan, and is super easy to get started. If your objective is to localize a mobile app, a knowledge base, or anything else that does not make the whole business multilingual, then Crowdin.com is your go-to solution. For big companies with a lot of content to manage, we recommend using our separate product, Crowdin Enterprise. It comes with more security configurations and granular permission management, so it's suitable for managing hundreds of localization projects. Both editions offer a free trial. So let's start by creating a Crowdin project. And in this demo, I'm going to show you what a simple project setup would look like. So it's actually very easy. It's essentially your project name and then the visibility settings. Now, public projects are open for anyone to contribute. If you will manage an open source project, or you want to localize your game to many languages with help of your community, this might be an option for you. Private would mean that you will invite professional translators to do the job, or you can use machine translation engines, but your content should not be publicly available. It'll be only visible to you and the people you invite. First thing after creating a project is the content. What should be translated and how the content will flow through this project. In most cases, you would click Setup Integration as you want your source content to come to Crowdin automatically, as well as translations to return to the places where they should live for every language. There are currently over 400 apps and integrations that you can use to integrate your content between the tools you use and Crowdin, or to extend your workflow. Upload files is useful when you just need several Word documents translated. To keep this demo short, I will hit Use Samples. And now when you have something to translate, let's involve translators. For that, you can click Buy Translations. Now, tasks in Crowdin are basically like orders. One of the ways to request translations for your content is to create a task. Make sure to provide as much context and work description as possible. This is always helpful for the translators. Now, let's assume you will translate with a translation agency. If you already work with a translation company, you should invite them to Crowdin. If not, you always have the Crowdin Language Services option available. It's a meta translation agency integrated into Crowdin, where we will choose the right vendor depending on your content and preferences. Let's choose Crowdin Language Services for this demo. Next, you select the content that needs to be translated and your target languages. You'll get a precise estimate of how much that will cost, and then you accept the terms of service, pay for the services, and that's it. Your content is now being translated by professionals. And now you know how to translate content with Crowdin. There are many more features in Crowdin that you may find helpful during localization, but these were the core steps. Make sure to check out our other videos to find out how to set up integrations with GitHub, Zendesk, HubSpot, and other tools. What would change in your workflow is that you won't upload files. Instead, your content will come to your project via integrations. Feel free to email us or book a personal demo with our team. We'd love to share best practices in your niche. Have a great day and happy localization!